Hi there. We're back for part 3 of our Pixton, and this time we're going to put it into action, so this is just a review. Make sure that you're at pixton.com. Now that we're set up, you can go to the upper left-hand corner and click Login. Log in with your APS Google account. Now we're going to click in My Comics. So now we're going to click New Comic. And what's the first thing we do? We name it. So I'm going to create an Ignite for a 7th grade social studies class. Remember, I'm going to go through this kind of fast, so pause me when you need to. First things first, we need to pick a background. Remember, stars mean free content, locks mean paid content. So since I said I wanted to do an Ignite for social studies, I'm going to pick this newsroom looking background, and I'm going to have a reporter interviewing a Middle East specialist. So the next thing I need to do is build my characters. So click on Characters. I'm going to build a character while you build a character, and I'll meet you back here. Remember, once you click on them, you can change all the things you want. So I've added my reporter. I'm going to click the back arrow and click Add Character and add the person she's interviewing. Make that one a male. Go ahead and add the male character, and I'll meet you back here. Now I have my two characters. I'm going to click Focus and make sure I have them in the order I want. Here are my options for focus. So I'm going to keep them like this because she's asking him a question. So let's go ask him a question. I am going to ask the reporter's question for my Ignite. I'm going to have my reporter ask, what environmental issue is currently impacting the Middle East the most? This comes directly from that 7th grade standard. Now, to interact with your students and do this as their Ignite, you would click on Words again and have them tell you in class what he should say to respond to her. Can anybody tell me what he should say? So I asked my students, and they had our specialist or our expert say, water pollution and water shortages are the biggest environmental problem. There is unequal access to the clean water in the Middle East. And then now you can talk about all the dams they're building in Turkey and how that's impacting the water flow of the Tigris and the Euphrates and have that discussion. So now I want to add a new panel. We're going to come over to the left and click the plus sign. When you add a panel, it's just going to duplicate the same background and focus and characters that you have on the previous panel so that you can move them in the next spot. I'm going to click focus for this one. And let's see what I want my characters to do next. I want to zoom in a little bit on my characters because I want him to say something really important. So I'm now going to add some words to my Middle East specialist, and he's going to drop a really scary truth bomb on the reporter about water. Can you guess what it is? So if things stay the way they are in the Middle East, they could run out of clean, fresh, safe water by 2050. Whew, scary. So we're going to add that to him. Now she's going to respond. Figure out what she should say in response, because this is what the students might contribute to. Add it, and I'll meet you back here. Once again, to do that, click Words, and then click on her character to add words. So she's going to say, really? That's less than 30 years from now. One trick I want to show you is when you're doing comics, it helps if there's some sort of flow to tell who's speaking first. With these speech bubbles, if you click on one and hold down the Alt key on your keyboard, you can move them and manipulate them. So I'm going to move hers down, and I'm going to move his up. I feel like this gives me a hierarchy in his conversation with her. And you could change their faces because she might be kind of surprised. Right? Once you've added all you want to add, click Done, and it'll save to your comics in your dashboard. You can edit it from there or share. You can download, print, share the link, or share to social. To delete this comic or to duplicate it, click the 3 dots in the upper right-hand corner, and you can either duplicate it or delete it. Now you've done your first comic. Congratulations! Play around some more and see how you can use this to help your students interact in all sorts of ways. I'm always here. If you have any questions, don't hesitate to reach out. See you next time.